just because this has got a lot of high numbers doesn't mean it's a much faster phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. And this is one of the best phones you can buy in 2020. And here's why. So, this phone, I think it's the best phone you can buy because right now, compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, they're about the same. There's not that much of a difference. So on this phone, it's the Note version of the Samsung Galaxy S10. So this is the better one. It has the S Pen. This is the blue pen, and you know what? It's actually very good. So you can do quite a few things on it. You can make notes, of course, with this. And I still have my Samsung Galaxy Note 4 because you know what? Once in a while, it's good to just be able to, you know, get your pen out, do some drawings, make some notes. You know, when it's nighttime, the screen is off, it's a lovely evening, you have an idea, all you have to do is just pull the pen out and start drawing on the screen. Simple as that. You know, oh yeah, I need to get this, I need to get that, blah blah blah. All you gotta do is put the pen back and it saves the note. Simple as that. That's why I love this phone. So let's review this phone and see how it looks on the outside. So on the side here, we have the volume up, volume down, and power button. On the Huawei, they're on this side. I prefer them on this side because, you know, you can use your fingers on this side, you know, to just add volume, power on, power off. Simple as that. And because it's all on one side, it's just easy to reach, which I like. It has the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner at the bottom, which makes it super fast. But because this is a European version, it's a little bit slower than the American version. So, but it's still a good phone. It really is. On top, it has the IR blaster right here, which can be used for changing channels, you know. Bottom, USB Type-C. It has speaker grill, a microphone grill. And on the top, we have a second microphone grill for background noise isolation. At the back, we have 4 cameras. And yeah, this phone's actually a good one. I like it. Now, in terms of using this phone, it's a Samsung. I like Samsung. I've had it for a while. But to be fair, this phone is beautiful the way you can use it. So let's stop wasting time and let's look at Geekbench 5. So I'm going to compare it with my personal daily phone, which is the OnePlus 5T. This phone is a lot older, but I think this phone is super fast. I wonder if it will beat the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, but that's me hoping. Let's see. So here we go. Ready for the test? Place your bets. I hope this finishes faster. We can already see here that this is on Android 9, that's on Android 10. This uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. This uses the ARM V8. This has 4 cores, 90 Hz, 1.9 Hz. That has 4 cores, 1.95 Hz. Although on cluster 2, mine has 4 cores, 2.6 Hz, whereas this has two cores, 2.4 Hz. So this might be faster on the multi-core score. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. So I was wrong. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G is a lot faster than my 3-4-year-old, you know, OnePlus 5T. To be fair, I like it. I like my little phone, but this phone is a beast. It really is a beast. That's a flagship. This is a flagship killer. So it has okay specs, you know. So it's a bit laughable. So basically, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G got a single core score of 776 and a multi-core score of 2138, whereas my lovely OnePlus 5T got basically half the score in a single core of 381 and multi-core score of 1667. So this phone has 6 gigs of RAM and this phone has 8 gigs of RAM. So this phone is going to be a bit faster no matter what. So as we can see here, this has 3 clusters, mine has 2. This phone is a little bit older. It's got an 8-core processor, so does this. This is running Android 9, that's Android 10, much newer software, which means much faster. Let's go on the single core. So we can see that, you know what, my phone is doing okay. It's just a little bit below average by 1 score, not bad. If we look here, it's above average, my score, it's not bad. I still think that these phones are about similar in terms of speed. Just because this got a lot of high numbers doesn't mean it's a much faster phone. So if we look at these phones, this one has a much higher score in single core and multi-core, but this phone feels faster. And that's because of how it's optimized. This phone has got no animations basically. It's optimized for speed. You don't need the highest score to have the fastest phone. Those are just when you have a lot of apps running at the same time. So yes, when you got like 30 apps in the background running, this is a bit faster. But from day-to-day usage, this is actually a bit slower than the OnePlus 5. So as you can see here, if I'm on my menu, I can just, move as fast as possible. No problems, quick. It feels like it's like 90 hertz, 100 hertz, 120, but it's not. It's about 30, 60. Whereas this one is much better, much faster, but it feels slower. It's like, look at that. The animations make it feel like it's like working extra hard. But in terms of raw power, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has the more power and it's more relevant. It's much newer. I like the hole punch cutout. It's a bit better than the teardrop, whereas my old phone is just a massive bezel and chin, which you have here. So that's gone. So yeah, my final thoughts. Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G? Yes, this thing costs about $599 refurbished right now. And compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 right now, they're literally the exact same phone. There's no difference. It just looks a bit better. But internally, they function the same. I think getting a little bit older Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, you can save like half the money basically for the exact same phone. There's not much of a difference. This phone is better to get. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.